Jackie's found this. She's going batty.
Oh, that's all okay. Wonder why he died.
Oh.
I'd like to dissect it.
There's something weird about you.
No, turn it upside down so we can have a look at what it looks like. Put it
Well,
down.
just both bits.
Oh no,
On you.
no, because I've got a disorder, man. Howie.
You heard it first here. Jackie's got a disorder.
No, you know what I'm talking about. I can't touch it.
She has got a disorder, everybody.
Oh, go on. Do it properly.
Well, I'm doing the camera bit.
Well, I'll hold you. Oh, it's a shame that it's died, though. Like to see you do this when it was alive. Oh my goodness. I used to be a werewolf, I'm alright now.
You really don't have the first idea about moving a camera, do you? Jackie.
Oh,
Right.
I want to keep it, I'm taking it home.
Right. If you liked the video, please press the like button, the bell for future notifications, and consider subscribing. Thank you.